Guys, I was stupidly picking my neck, so if you guys noticed that, that was from me scratching at it. Okay, so I actually did keep, ooh, a little pain there on my left side. So I love the simplistic look of these. So weeks, months, and then the smaller two blocks have the numbers on them. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I am a full-time social media content creator and blogger, which I've been doing for 7 years now. I am currently pregnant with my first baby, a baby boy. I am full term, so a baby will be arriving any day now, but I have been sharing quite a few of these baby haul videos. I believe this is part 4 of the series. So I just wanted to share with you guys a couple more things that I've gotten from baby shower gifts, a couple things I've gotten through PR products as well. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. I'll probably start off with the items I've gotten from my baby shower as baby shower gifts first. So first up is this Boon and Babylist Nourish Essentials. So this actually comes with several different bottles, a slow, a medium, and a fast bottle, or maybe it's the lids actually that are the slow, medium, and fast, and then basically just these really cute bottles, which are like a forest green and then like a white terrazzo type pattern. So I figured that this was a really good set to get. I actually had someone buy a couple items from my registry and then also give me a gift card for $100. So this was one of the things I got with that gift card. And I really only had one other baby bottle, actually one that I thrifted and one from my registry, which was from Bibs. So I thought that I would get a couple more bottles just in case, because I definitely heard so many times to try to get a few different bottles so you can figure out what baby likes. So I think this is very helpful, especially because it has the different levels, which I also read and researched that makes it a little bit easier when you're trying to switch from nursing, like breastfeeding, and to baby bottle, like switching back and forth. So finding one that is similar to when the baby is sucking on the breast is very helpful. So this gives me some options here. So very excited about this set. So with that gift card, I also picked up a car seat essentials set. So that comes with a car seat protector, it comes with a car seat mirror, and then 2 like sun protectors to go on each of the side windows in the passenger seats. So I will insert a photo of that for you guys and link it down below. That was on my registry, and like I said, one of the other items I got with that $100 gift card. So that was awesome. And then lastly, with that gift card, I was able to get this, which I had on my registry, the Frida Baby 2-in-1 portable sound machine and night light. I actually have this in the larger version with the air purifier for at home, but I had actually heard on several YouTube moms videos that this was one of their essentials that you don't necessarily always think of. Of course, you could always play like music on your, you could play like some kind of brown sound or something like that on your phone, but I am pretty much always using my phone, because the idea with these is that you use them when you're traveling. So at night when you're traveling, if your baby is used to having this portable travel version is nice to have, but you can also use it when you're like running errands during the day, going places with your baby to help them sleep. So I would rather use something like this than my phone, because I'm pretty much always using my phone. So I think this is a nice thing to have, and I was able to get that with that gift card. So I am very excited about this. It comes with 5 sounds, 3 light levels, and you can attach it anywhere with the strap that it comes with. So you can attach it to your stroller, your car seat, that kind of thing. Okay, so now I wanted to show you guys a few things I've gotten from brands through PR. So one of the things is actually in a big long box in the corner of this room by the armoire. I have not unboxed it yet. It is a play pad from the brand Nurture and I am not going to be needing that for a little bit, so I've just left it in its box. I just don't have a lot of room here, so a lot of things are still in boxes. A lot of things are under my bed, in my closet. So I'll just basically be unboxing those as I need them. So I will just insert a photo for you guys of the play pad. That was another thing that I had seen on some YouTube moms must-haves, registry ideas, things like that, as like a good thing to have. So I'll be using that here or in the living room, wherever. Easy to pull out, easy to fold up and put away, and it just keeps everything kind of neat, organized, comfortable place for your baby to play. Okay, so next up is the 0 to 12 weeks play kit from Lalo. So this comes with so many things. A very cute little book, a little book about love, a sensory book, this very cute little wooden toy, a lovey. I believe this is the lovey, and there are actually some really cute wood blocks in here. So I love the simplistic look of these. So weeks, months, and then the smaller 2 blocks have the numbers on them. So these are perfect for doing like the monthly photos that I want to do each month of the baby's first year. So these are perfect for those photos, and then of course for learning as well. And then it comes with a few other items as well. This little play scarf, and there are explanations for everything in the little book that it comes with. So this play kit is going to be very, very useful. Okay, so next I have some learning pieces from Lely Baby and RI. I'm going to share with you guys. I've gotten several pieces for the boy. Okay, so first up we have these super cute little bibs. So there are 2 babies in there, light blue and white stripe. So a couple of bibs, and those bibs actually match this onesie here, which also has that same pattern, the blue and white stripe, and then the edging has a white detail as well with trim. So very cute. This is for huge moms. They also sent me this cool organic cotton muslin blanket, which can be used as a blanket. It can also be used as a burp cloth, so swaddle blanket, burp cloth, several cloths that you can use these for. And it's just in this kind of like nude blue color with some of the baby warning designs on it, so that way they come in handy. I don't have a ton of these, so definitely need to get some more. So I also sent these adorable knit babies in a 0 to 3 month size, so that will look really cute with this onesie here, or just with any of the other onesies I have. It's in perfect neutral colors, so it's perfect for wearing with pretty much anything. And then they also sent me this adorable zipper, like footed zipper onesie. This is for newborn. I think I have a few newborn zippered onesies, but it's always good to have a few more. So that is very cute, and it has kind of like this ribbed material in like an oatmeal color. So very cute things from Baby Mori. Okay, so next up I have a bag of clothes from Kohl's that I wanted to share with you guys. My aunt actually got me some things from Kohl's, but I ended up exchanging them just for pieces that I needed more. So I'm gonna go through those very quickly. Okay, so I actually did keep, ooh, little pain there on my left side. So I actually did keep these that my aunt had gotten me. So a very cute little towel set from Just Born. All three of these are from Just Born. So I love that they all coordinate, but basically they come in like these light blue, let me see if I can get this to focus. So a light blue stripe, light blue colors, and then a like desert scene, which it's kind of hard to tell. This will probably be easier to show you guys. So these are the burp cloth. So that's one of the little desert scenes. The other desert scene is blue with little cacti, and then a couple of blue bibs, burping cloths. And then this set of hooded towels in those same patterns as well. So the two desert patterns and then this striped blue pattern. So I thought those were very cute, and I love that they are desert themed, as Baby and I now are Phoenix, Arizona residents. Okay, so I picked up a couple of sets. So this set here is from Carter's. Wow, I don't know why the lighting is so weird right now. So it is a beige and white striped onesie. These are for 9 months. And then it comes with this one, which is a very sweet, kind of like whimsical pattern with a goose, and there's like a mushroom, little things like that. So I thought that was very cute. It comes with matching pants as well. So the top can be worn, both tops can be worn with the pants. So I love it. It's a little set. And this was buy one, get one half off. So I also got this one for 12 months, which says My Sunshine. And then it comes with these little pants that you can wear it with. And you can also wear the pants in a set with this green striped top with little pockets. So sweet. So I don't have a lot of 12-month and 9-month clothing items, so that's why I ended up going with these. But I'm actually needing to just go through all of my clothes again, because I'm realizing that I had things in certain sizes that I didn't think I had, and other things I needed more of. So I might have to go and exchange those for different sizes. It just depends. But I also got these, which were on sale, a little set of pants. These are on sale for $8.80. So a little striped pant with wood buttons, and then these little green pants with the white drawstring for 3 months. And then these sets were, I believe, $20, and then the other one was half off, so $10 on the other one. And then this was on sale for $4. Cute little mustard yellow onesie, long sleeve onesie for a 9-month-old baby with these cute little buttons. And this will be going into fall when Baby is able to wear this. So I thought that would be cute. Okay guys, so that is everything that I'm going to be showing you guys in my baby haul part 4. I wanted to share these videos to hopefully give you guys some ideas of what to add on your baby registry, what baby brands there are out there, just ideas for like maybe outfits, things like that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe, and also share with a friend or someone in your family that you think would enjoy my content as well. I will be sure to link my other baby haul videos down below, and I'll link the most recent one here for you guys so that you can check it out. But I will be sharing several more baby pregnancy, maternity related videos for the unforeseen future. I'm obviously going to be gearing pretty much most of my content towards what's going on in my life, which is being a new mom. Once baby arrives, there'll be a lot of baby content. So if you guys like that, then make sure that you're subscribed and turn on your bell notifications so you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye!